There's a whole lot of money out there for people who went through the hurricanes in Texas and Florida. Many of your friends and family may have lost power after going through this, Hurricane Irma or Harvey. In fact, thousands of people still haven't had the lights come on. But are they eligible for cash assistance just because the power went out? Well, one of the latest hurricane aftermath posts being shared on social media claims if you went 2 or more days without power, FEMA is going to refund you $250. You just need to call the FEMA number and share and let your friends know. Well, this one post has been shared 55,000 times already, with people asking what number to call and how to apply. Well, we went straight to a FEMA spokesperson for this one, and they told us, they don't refund people just for power outages. If anyone you know is looking for some of Uncle Sam's cash to get back to normal, first, they have to live in one of these disaster-declared counties. That's all of Florida and most of the Gulf Coast here and a little bit inland in Texas. Secondly, they can apply for aid at FEMA's site, disasterassistance.gov. FEMA says just because someone had a power outage after a hurricane does not necessarily mean that they will qualify for assistance. Another way to know that this post isn't official, look at the FEMA acronym there. It's written in lowercase. So as of right now in Florida alone, I know this is a lot of information. Basically what it all says is there's 267,000 people without power after Irma. Are they getting $250 each for losing power? Whammo, false. Don't count on it. We can verify that this claim is not true.